back to my channel. Today's video I am showing you my deep conditioning using the KeraCare Humecto conditioner. I just want to say thank you to Hairlicious. She put me on. She did a video recently about this product. I think she's used it for a couple years and she just raved about it so much that I had to get it myself. So I did purchase this off of Amazon. You can check out the product on my Amazon store. I will have the link in the description below. It just changed my game. It changed the hair game. I'm just showing you here that I'm using the Amla Oil to just seal in that conditioner. I could have put it just inside of my bowl, but I was just dipping my hand into the conditioner container and then just using the oil to seal in the conditioner. My hair immediately after using this conditioner, I want to say within like a couple of seconds of putting on my hair, it just softened up my hair, and I really needed a conditioner that was moisturizing. So if you have not heard of Hairlicious, she has been on YouTube since I want to say 2008 or maybe a little bit earlier than that or longer. I'm not really sure, but I have been watching her for years and she knows her stuff when it comes down to relaxed hair, so definitely check her out. Once again, I am using this because Hairlicious raved about it and this is a game changer, so I will now be implementing this into my deep conditionings and maybe just using this product by itself with my favorite oils. So I sat in the dryer for 15 minutes. Didn't even need to sit that long, but because again, once I went under the dryer, before going under the dryer, my hair was already soft. But I went ahead, leaving that, jumped into the shower. My hair was so soft. It just feels so soft, like butter. After jumping out of the shower, this is what my hair looks like. It did absorb a lot of that conditioner. I'm using the Apogee Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer. I love this stuff. You just mist it onto the hair and then you can follow up with your favorite moisturizers or oils. I'm using this scalp oil treatment. I definitely have seen like my scalp has been a little bit itchy, but I do like this product because it does have peppermint in it, so it definitely helps with my hair with dandruff or just itchy scalp. Here I'm showing you the Carol's Daughter Reconstructor Cream that I'm using. I did also use the S Curl No Drip. It's like an activator. She did mention about that as well. I've used this a couple years ago. Definitely love the fact that it does get my hair moisturized. I did use this product off camera because my husband did have to go get it for me later on after this video was done. So just make sure that you have yourself a moisturizer, your favorite moisturizer, and your oil of choice. The oil that I'll be using is organic jojoba oil, again off of Amazon, to seal in the moisturizer. This is what my scalp is looking like. And now I am going to be blow drying with cold air. It is important that you're using cold air. I'm trying to avoid using so much heat on my hair. So this is what I was using, and then I'll let my hair air dry the rest of the way. I did mention before that my hair was under process. I had waited a whole year to relax my hair. That was due to me having a baby. It was not my choice. But I did mention that because of that long wait, trying to relax my hair was just very difficult with all of the new growth. So I will be going in to do a corrective relaxer. If you're interested in that, make sure that you comment down below and I will make sure I record that video for you all. This is what my hair looks like after doing a twist out. After doing the blow drying process, it took so long for my hair to dry. I just went ahead and twisted my hair in a bunch of twists. So now I'm just going to show you how I do like the little goddess twist for a protective style until I'm ready to do another deep condition before my relaxer. Again, as mentioned, I am 7 weeks post relaxer. I want to say the next time that I will be relaxing will be around maybe 10 to 15 weeks, so stay tuned for that next relaxer. That's where I'll be doing my corrective relaxer. You want to make sure that if your hair is under process, that you do take care of it during your next relaxer process. You're going to be basically just doing the same thing you would do with any other relaxer, but then before washing the hair out, you're going to just put some of the relaxer on that under process hair so it can look like the rest of the relaxed hair, and then rinse it out and just follow the process. If I have not mentioned, make sure you do subscribe and like this video. We have a lot more relaxed hair videos to come. I have so many videos, I just don't have that much time to film. Obviously, you all know I have a baby, and so I have to now just adjust my times. Look how thick my hair looks. It's so thick, it's so shiny. So I'm just giving you a close-up of what my hair looks like. Looking thick, healthy, and shiny. I'm using some bobby pins to pin the hair back. I'm going to just twist the hair within itself, as you can see what I'm doing here. This is my go-to protective style with my hair. I love this. My husband loves this hairstyle. I'm just wrapping the hair up for tonight and putting on my bonnet. You all, it has been a long process. Make sure you like this video, comment down below the next video you would like to see, and again, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe because we have a lot more relaxed hair videos to come. I will see you dolls later. Bye. Good night.